Hey, it's Christy, and I'm here with your Goodwill Outfit of the Week. Summer looks that are flowy, airy, and fit into your budget? Goodwill has you covered. This week, local thrifter Lori shows us how she chose to pair some of her recent fun finds together to form the perfect summer look. Lori found some great basic pieces at her local Goodwill, like these shorts for just $3.99. At that price, it makes adding new pieces to your wardrobe easy. A crisp white top always looks classic and stylish, and really makes her unique and fun handbag pop. Lori finished her look with a bright and colorful pair of yellow shoes. Don't they just scream summer? As a seasoned Goodwill shopper, Lori knows how checking out with her preferred customer card can save her even more with each purchase. Show your preferred customer card at the checkout and save 10% off every day. Show it on Wednesdays and save 20%. If you don't have a preferred customer card, simply ask a sales associate for details and start saving today. Check out our Goodwill stores for your next amazing outfit.